everyone, it's Carolyn and welcome back to Contemporary Mama. I am so excited to be sharing this summer clean and decorate with you. I'm going to be getting my entire house pretty much back in order, all cleaned up, and I also picked up a few really fun pieces of summer decor, including a little DIY that I'm going to be showing you. So I hope that this video motivates you and inspires you to get your house a little bit spruced up for this upcoming summer season. So I'm starting off in my bedroom. I just wanted to make sure that it was super fresh and clean. So of course I had to go ahead and remove my sheets and get those in the wash.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe. Striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind.
With the windows being open, my furniture has been getting so dusty, so I just went around really quick with my little Swiffer duster and some furniture polish to give all my bedroom furniture a really nice shine.
You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And
It didn't feel complete without tackling the floors, so I'm just going to do a really fast vacuum with my Dyson cordless vacuum. This just makes it so quick and easy. And then I'm also going to be giving a quick mop as well. I love this O-Cedar squirt mop. It just, again, is super fast and easy. You can't even believe how fast you can get everything vacuumed and mopped when you have these two things. I had recently got an online order from Bath & Body Works, so I will be refilling my wallflowers and replacing all the hand soaps in my house with these fun summer scents that I got. I had bought this cute little sign with the letter P on it. That's the first letter of our family's last name. I got it at Kirkland's seriously months ago, and I was saving it for the summer when I like to decorate with a lot of blues and yellows. Once my sheets were all done, I put those on quickly, and then I am removing this big bulky comforter. We usually keep this on our bed all year round, but I love sleeping under the covers. So this year I decided to get a very lightweight quilt that I could keep on my bed for the summer months, and this one is absolutely perfect. It is super lightweight, perfect for the summertime. I purchased it recently on Wayfair, so I'll leave the link to it down in the description box if anyone happened to be interested. Next up is my master bathroom. As you can see, the countertops are pretty cluttered. So once I go ahead and just put everything back where it belongs, I just need to give all of the surfaces a quick wiping down. And for my mirrors, you guys know I love using this Dollar Tree glass cleaner. It's been my OG favorite for at least the past year. I did this in a Dollar Tree cleaning video last summer, so if you guys would be interested in seeing another one of those, maybe with trying out a whole bunch of new Dollar Tree cleaning products, make sure that you leave me a comment down below and let me know that that is a video that you would like to see me make.
You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance.
So these are the two soaps I'm going to be putting in here, Seaside Surf and Vanilla Coconut. These again were from that recent Bath & Body Works order that I had just received in the mail, and they both smell amazing.
Someday we will look back and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember.
I'm repeating the same process in my kids' bathroom. I'm doing a very quick and easy surface clean of the mirrors and the sinks. Of course, I have to replace their hand soap with a new fun summer one. Theirs is called Cotton Candy Skies, and it is so fruity. My kids love washing their hands with it. And of course, I'll finish up with the floors.
All that happened to us, 'cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we
All right, on to tackling the main level of my house. I'm going to start with my entryway. This tends to get pretty cluttered with shoes, but it's pretty easy to store them away in the closet and these little bins that I have, so it really doesn't take too long to tackle this part of my house. So I'm just giving it, again, a quick vacuum and a mop, and that's all that this area really needs. My dining room is always my favorite room to decorate in my house. A, because it's the first room you see when you walk in, so I always like it to look extra special. And B, because we don't really use it too much, so I can really put a lot of decor in here and it doesn't really get moved or messed up by my kids. However, this little bay window area over here, I had been using as sort of a makeshift pantry. During quarantine, I was really trying to avoid going to the grocery store, so I was buying a lot of shelf-stable items, and I ran out of room in my pantry. So that's what I was doing, just kind of like taking all that extra food out of there and putting it over in my pantry, which I actually reorganized on this day as well. That video will be going up a little bit later in the month, so make sure that you stay tuned. So once all that kind of clutter and stuff was cleared out, I can actually start the cleaning process, just wiping everything down, dusting the furniture, vacuuming and mopping the floors, and then I can start on the fun part, the decorating.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself. And I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. There's no place on earth I would rather be. I found you today. It feels like it's been forever, laughing all day. We spin around, your hand reaches mine. Feels like I can't do anything, just give me a mountain to climb. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your
Now, you'll see a lot of lemon decor throughout the rest of this video. That was sort of the theme and inspiration that I was going for with my summer decor. So I've seen a lot of people using water pitchers as vases in other clean and decorates I've been watching on YouTube. So I decided to give that a try, and I think it came out so cute. And I bought these faux lemons on Amazon, as well as these blue faux hydrangeas, and I just love how these two bright, vibrant colors complement each other so beautifully. I think this is the perfect centerpiece for my table. My letterboard over here just says squeeze the day. I thought that was a fun little saying and twist on my lemon theme. So I just placed that on my little wine bar along with this lemon scented candle that I got at Aldi. If you haven't tried their candles, you're seriously missing out. They're super cheap and they smell just as strong as the ones from Bath & Body Works. Luckily, my kitchen wasn't too bad this day. I just had some dishes that I had to deal with and some quick wiping down of the surfaces. So once I got that dishwasher unloaded, I only had a few breakfast dishes that I had to deal with, and I just got to work on tackling the countertops and cleaning off the stove, and of course, having to tackle the floors as well. I got this monogrammed kitchen towel back at the Christmas tree shop in February. Yes, I was already planning this video all the way back in February, but thank goodness I did because stores have been shut down for the past 3 months here in New York. But actually today, the day this video goes up, we are able to go back into stores in New York. We are opening back up and I am just so excited. So that is a really big step where we live. I know in other parts of the country they've been open for a while, but we've been still pretty locked down in New York up until this point. So I gotta pause for a second and give the Dollar Tree some major props. The past couple years, I have seen other YouTubers buy this amazing lemon themed summer decor from the Dollar Tree, but every time I go, seriously, for the past 2 or 3 years, they never have anything in my store. I don't know what's going on. I'm not going on the right days or the right times, or it just gets snatched up so fast because it's really stinking cute. I don't know. But I seriously just found out this past spring that you can actually shop online from the Dollar Tree and have it delivered to your house. So that's exactly what I did, and I am so excited to show you what I got. So I ordered the lemon plates, and I actually thought that these were plastic and that they'd be perfect for using outside on our deck or by the pool, but they're not. They're like real dinner plates. So I'm actually going to switch these out for our regular dinner plates, which are really big and heavy and bulky, and we can use these all summer long as our dinner plates. And these were only $1. They come in a case of 12. So I have 12 dinner plates, which I'm just so excited about. They're super cute, they're the perfect size, and they're really sturdy, high quality plates. You cannot beat that price. The second thing I got were some new placemats, and again, I thought these were just perfect for summer. They are a fabric placemat, and they feel sort of like they have that stain and spill resistant coating on it. I'm not sure if that's true, but that's just the way that it feels. So I am so excited to have this lemon dinnerware and placemats to use all summer long. I just think it's going to be adorable. I don't know how my living room always gets like this, but it does. Earlier in the year, I actually moved my kids' toy box down into their playroom, so now we actually don't keep any toys in this room, but somehow they still always manage to end up scattered all over my living room floor. So a little trick that I find really helpful is to just grab a laundry basket and just throw all the things in there that do not belong. This is so much faster and easier than bringing things one by one to wherever they need to go. You can just pile them all into this laundry basket, and then when you have filled it up, you can just kind of go room to room and put things away. So that's just a little tip for you mamas. If you're always finding things where they don't belong, then you can give this little laundry basket tip a try.
Could you come a little closer? I want you by my side, and I'll try the best I can to make you feel this way. Don't let me down, down, down. It could be you and I want you now, 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 now. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love.
Now that all the floors are clear on my whole main level, I can just kind of zip around with my Dyson, getting everything all vacuumed up nicely. And then I can go ahead with my mop and just get all the floors nice and shiny and clean.
You now, yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la. La Tell me what you wanna do. Yeah, 'cause I'd do anything. I just wanna be with you. How can you make me feel this way? Don't let me down, down, down. It could be you and I want you now, 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 now. Don't let me hold you now.
I have a few more little pieces of lemon decor up my sleeve. So the first are these pillow covers. I have a lot of decorative pillows, but I quickly realized that I do not have a lot of space to store them. So I didn't want to go ahead and buy new ones for the summer. So instead I bought these pillow covers on Amazon, and these were absolutely perfect. I just used some of my decorative pillows that I bought last fall. I put the pillow covers over them, and you couldn't even tell. They are such a money saver and a space saver, so I highly recommend it if you love switching up your pillows season after season. Just getting pillow covers will really save you a lot of storage space.
Lay in your arms, come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna.
And this cute little banner that I have over here is from Kirkland's. It just says, "Hello Summer," and yes, you guessed it, there's a little lemon on it as well.
I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I wanna stay here with you. I just wanna hear you say that you want me.
The last little bit of decor I have are these two cute burlap signs. I actually bought these at Aldi, and I think they are so cute. I think they were maybe $1.99 or possibly $3.99. I can't exactly remember. But one of them, yes, has lemons on it, and the other says, "Hello Sunshine." I thought they were so bright and cheery, perfect for summer, so I'm hanging those up in my kitchen. And that is going to be the end of this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. You got some great cleaning motivation and some decor ideas on how to decorate your house for summer. So I want to thank you so very much for watching. I'll see you on Friday with another brand new video. Thanks again. Bye.